Good morning, everyone. I'm going to do a quick pre-market analysis today instead of late nights. I think this will be more useful. So let's go ahead and start. It is going to be recorded, so should be fine. SPY, we are gapping up above this 9 EMA as we have all been talking about this one. It is yesterday it did reject the 9 EMA. It's got above that slightly, but it rejected right after that. Today it is at 403.50. So we would like to see this 9 EMA hold today, which is at 403.50. As long as that holds, I would stay long in the market. I would also like to see this 406 area get through because we have been rejecting this previously as well. But above 406, I think we run all the way up to 410 and then 416. There's no stopping for this. Quite a few stocks are above 9 EMA. But we'll see what Fed Chair Powell is going to decide today. Just a quick reminder that he is talking today at 2 p.m. Qs are barely, which is our tech stocks, are barely above this 9 EMA. As you can see, we have rejected yesterday as well. So as long as 303 holds on this Qs, I would stay long. The next target on that one right away is 309.65 and then 315. I think we see a nice push on these Qs as long as Fed Chair Powell does not say anything bad. If you guys remember, we did talk about this VIX on our previous video, yesterday's video, that it is going to come back here to retest this 50 SMA at 26. It is at 26 right now. We would like to see a break below of 50 SMA on this VIX. So let's see what happens over here. Again, all on Powell. So on Tesla, I'm pretty surprised. It is super weak. Even yesterday, it did not rally with market at all. And there's a lot more selling pressure than anything else I've seen lately. In the last 2 days, they have been selling every bounce on Tesla. So I will be keeping my eye on this one for yesterday's high, at least, to get long, because I've seen them buy 670 puts, 650 puts, 600 puts. So I'm not totally sold on this Tesla yet. On the long side, I am going to wait and watch on this one. If anything, I'm going to short any bounces on Tesla. Amazon, if you look at it, we did reject right at this 9 EMA. We opened right there and we rejected very hard. So again, not playing Amazon till we get about 22.82. We did scalp it yesterday, but that's about it. I would go ahead and short it below 22.15, as we already have it set right here. Below that, I would go ahead and short it, but above this 22.82, I would go long on Amazon. Google, I'm liking a lot here. It is above 9 EMA pre-market, and honestly, it is at resistance right here too. If you want to short it for a quick scalp this morning, won't be a bad idea as long as it stays below 23.32. You can have a quick scalp out of this Google. But if it breaks 22.32, I would go long because you have a lot more room on the upside than downside. Nvidia rejected this 9 EMA, but again, just like our indices, we are opening above this 9 EMA. We are in this position currently, and it's looking good now. Above 180 is going to fly. I've been watching, and they're buying 185 and 190 calls for May 20th, which is this week. So keep a close eye on this Nvidia above 180. Or any dip you get close to 177, I would buy it with a stop below 175. The other one I'll closely be watching is Facebook today, because Facebook was nice and green yesterday, even in this buddy market, the way it was acting. It is holding this 9 EMA very, very nicely. So any dips on this early morning, I am going to get in it. Yesterday, we did buy this one and made good money, but I'm going to get back in today. Around 201 area would buy zone for Facebook. And I think this is going to have a nice run all the way up to 207. But if we can get through this 207, 220s are incoming. All right, guys, this is all I have for the pre-market. Also, keep an eye on the Chinese stocks. They are gapping up nicely and they look really good. They were buying KWEB, which is your Chinese ETF. They were buying this week's 30.5 strike calls. So they might still have some more room to go to the upside. So keep an eye on that one. And also one more, a gentle reminder quickly. Fed Chair Powell is talking at 2 today. All right, see y'all.